Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sajan Malayala. First and foremost, thank you for your response. Now we are 5k family strong. Now coming to this particular video, in this video I am going to talk about one of the most important phase of engineering life, that is doing an internship. Coming to this particular video, I will be talking about two major things. One will be importance and benefits of doing internship, and the second time will be what is the ideal time to do an internship. Now, without taking much time, let's get into the video. First and foremost, we'll be talking about what is internship and its importance. Internships provides you a real life experience and a great exposures. It enables you to gain first-hand exposure of working in real world, and it also allows students to gain experience, skills and improve their knowledge and also their application of theoretical knowledge which they have learned in their classrooms. And also I can say that it adds more weight to your particular profile or resume, and which in turn turns out to be add-on advantage during your placements. As we move forward in this video, I will be discussing about a company which offers course plus internships, where you can learn the course and do the internships, and you will be getting a one major project and minor project on your name, so which will be really helpful for your future career. So now let's watch about it. Okay guys, it is always recommended to have at least one project or internship on your resume or profile, which always gives you edge over other peers in the interview of your placement. Don't know where to search for the internships or project related to your area of interest? Don't worry, I have come across this particular company named Verzio. Verzio is an AI based online learning platform that provides students the holistic learning experience with industry experts, online courses and blended learning. It allows students to learn here and lead anywhere. Verzio offers a 35 plus upskilling internships and certifications in various domains of engineering, management and commerce, which includes most sought out technologies like machine learning, Flutter, data science, digital marketing, UI or UX, hybrid electrical vehicles, stock market, genetic engineering and many more. Now you may ask me, how legit are these certifications? Don't worry, Verzio offers you the certifications co-branded with 100 plus startups and MNCs, which includes Microsoft, Google AdWords and Autodesk, etc. These co-branded certifications will be given post completion of project with the guidance of industrial mentors. So what are you guys waiting for? Do fill out the Google form in the description. Verzio team will contact you soon, and don't forget to use my code CHARAN, CHARAN. You will get flat 50% off on each and every internship or course in their website. Now coming to the next important point I want to talk is, what is the ideal time to do an internship? So if you see, according to me, there is no particular ideal time to do your internship. That is, many people will say you should do internship after your second year, after your third year or during your fourth year. It is nothing like that. So whenever you want to improve your skills, whenever you want to apply your skills, you can do the internship. So there are many websites which provide you the internships, but this particular company, as I said, they have collaborated with very great companies like Autodesk, Google AdWords. So you will get a great exposure there, and you will also get a very good certificate which will be really helpful and adds an advantage to your resume. Now coming to the topic, the ideal time, right? So if you know, there are many startups like WhatsApp, Twitter, Dell. Their founders started their company, this particular company, before the graduation itself. Just see, that's the reason I am saying there is no ideal time for applying your skills or gaining the skills. So even if you completed your 12th standard, even if you are doing your first year, or even if you are doing final year, third year or second year of BTech, there is no issue. You can always do an internship and gain skills and apply your skills. Make sure you add some importance to your resume. So what are you guys waiting for? Go fill out the Google form and use my code CHARAN. And coming to benefits which you get through internship there are few benefits in which I feel these are the most important benefits you can get from the internship So first and foremost, I can say you will be getting industry ready, and they look good on your resume. As I said, they add more weight to your profile, right? So that's the thing, and you can convert your academic knowledge into industry skills. The experience will narrow down your list of potential careers, and you can gain an unforgettable life experience. Working with an industrialist will really give you a great exposure and will really give you an unforgettable lifetime experience. And I also can say that gaining the contacts in industries, which will really in turn help you during your future careers also. So finally, what I would like to say is, there is no ideal time of doing an internship, and internship is always recommended for a student to do in the BTech or before BTech anytime. It will be really helpful for you, because companies who seek, they want students who can apply their skills. If you do an internship, they definitely feel that this particular student has some knowledge and did an internship and he knows the experience with working with the industry. So that is the reason there is a high chance that you getting placed instead of others when you do an internship. So hope you all love this video. If you find something out of this particular video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.